Today's lesson is on the order of operations and evaluating algebraic expressions. You've probably heard the phrase, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally." P stands for parentheses, E exponent, M multiplication, D division, A addition, and S subtraction. We are going to use the phrase, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally," which is the order of operations, to help us solve a few problems. Our first problem is -3 plus 2 times 6 minus 7. In the order of operations, multiplication and division are before addition and subtraction. We skip both parentheses and exponents because we do not have either of those in this problem. We will now do multiplication. 2 times 6 equals 12. So we have -3 plus 12 minus 7. Next, we're going to do addition and subtraction from left to right. So first we'll do -3 plus 12, and we get 9. So we have 9 minus 7, and now we're just going to subtract, and we get 2. For our second problem, we have 8 plus the quantity 3 times 4 minus 23. In the order of operations, we do parentheses first. So we'll do 3 times 4 because that's in parentheses. And 3 times 4 is 12. So we have 8 plus 12 minus 23. We can skip exponents because we do not have any exponents in this problem. We also do not have any more multiplication or division, so we'll go ahead and move on to addition and subtraction. We're going to do the addition and subtraction from left to right. So we have 8 plus 12, which is 20, and then we have 20 minus 23, which is the same thing as 20 plus -23, and 20 plus -23 is -3. For our third problem, we have -27 plus the quantity 6 plus 4 squared divided by -5. Our first step is parentheses, so we'll do 6 plus 4. So we have -27 plus 6 plus 4, which is 10. That answer is going to then be squared divided by -5. Our next step is exponents. So we're going to do 10 squared. 10 squared means 10 times 10, which is 100. So we have -27 plus 100 divided by -5. Our next step is multiplication and division from left to right. So we're going to do 100 divided by -5. And 100 divided by -5 is -20. So we have -27 plus -20. And -27 plus -20 equals -47. Now we're going to evaluate algebraic expressions. We're going to evaluate each expression for a equals -3, b equals 5, and c equals -6. So for number 4, we have 2a plus b. 2a would be 2 times a. So we have 2 times -3, and then we have plus b, so we have plus 5. We will use the order of operations to solve this. So we'll do our multiplication before we do the addition. 2 times -3 is -6, plus 5 would equal -1. Now for number 5, we have AB minus C. A is -3, B is 5, so we have -3 times 5, and then we have minus C, so minus -6. -3 times 5 is -15, minus a -6 would be plus a +6, so we have plus 6. And -15 plus 6 is -9. And now for number 6, we have 3c minus a, and that's all divided by b squared. So we're going to have 3 times c, and c is -6, minus a, so minus -3, and that's all divided by b squared, or 5 squared. We need to simplify the numerator, and we need to simplify the denominator, and then we'll see if we can simplify our entire fraction. So if we simplify the numerator, we have 3 times -6, which is -18, and then minus -3, which would be plus +3, or plus 3, and then our denominator, which is 5 squared, would be 5 times 5, and that's 25. Now we'll simplify the numerator, and we have -18 plus 3, which is -15, and that would then be divided by 25, and we can simplify -15 25ths because we can divide both the numerator and denominator by 5. -15 divided by 5 is -3, and 25 divided by 5 is 5. So our answer is -3/5.